County in northern Connecticut, Hartford County in northern Connecticut, South Central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Canton County in western Massachusetts, until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Great Barrington to near Torrington to near New Preston, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, Bristol, Manchester, Chicopee, East Hartford, Enfield, Westfield, Holyoke, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Windsor, Agawam, West Springfield, Wethersfield, South Windsor, and Farmington.
That was cool.